Hello guys, review Infinix Note 40 Pro, this version 8GB memory and 256GB Intel memory. Start unboxing. We have device box and wireless charge in complementation. Okay. Open box, device, gold color, and with phone we have adapter for charging 70 watt and Type-C cable. Okay. Gold color, triple camera on the back side, on the front side 6.7-inch display. XOS version 14.0.0, Android 14. And look Geekbench 6 results. Single core score, multi-core score, GPU test results. And look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, okay, close. PUBG mobile box on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.